There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Dodge Durango RT Hemi Orange in Destroyer Gray. With HID headlamps, orange sport package, 20-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control with stop, blind spot and crosspath detection, lane departure warning plus, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 2,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, power sunroof, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6815G.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.